The Accounting tab houses our revenue centers, taxes, surcharges, and gratuities. Let's start with gratuities. Your Add New Gratuity button is on the bottom left. You can enter the name of this gratuity under Gratuity Name. You also have the ability to change the name of this gratuity on how it prints on a receipt. You will select the revenue class that this gratuity will be listed in. You can apply a gratuity automatically when guest count is a certain guest count. You can adjust the percentage here or select the cash icon to make it a dollar amount instead of percentage. You also have the ability to have this gratuity only available in certain order types. Make sure to leave this blank if you want it available everywhere. And your Save button in the bottom right. Next is Surcharges. Your Add New Surcharge button is in the same lower left corner. Your name field, which is what shows on the receipt. The amount area and ability to make it a percentage or dollar amount. You can apply this surcharge to gross instead of net if you would like with this checkbox. We can select the order type that this surcharge will apply to here. We can also assign this surcharge to specific items as well here. Lastly, the revenue class associated to this surcharge for reporting purposes. And your Save button in the bottom. The Taxes tab is where we will house all of our taxes. Our Add New Tax button is in the bottom left. The name of the tax, amount area and ability to choose between percent and dollar amount. There are two checkboxes that are important. An inclusive tax option, which means the tax is included in the price of the item, and also prints separate from tax total if you want this tax to be shown on its own on the receipt. You can assign this tax to certain items here or filter it by certain order types as well here. It is recommended to not add any items here unless it is an oddball tax, since our taxes will be applied via our revenue classes. Lastly is our revenue classes. We have our Add New Revenue Class button on the bottom left, the name of the revenue class, the assigned taxes to that revenue center, also the ability to make this revenue class as all alcohol, and also the ability to make the item count as non-sales revenue.